Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on and off Apple Pay notifications. This video is going to be for individuals that want alerts when Apple Pay is used. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go into our settings. And then we're going to tap notifications. Once in there, you're going to scroll down until you find the wallet and tap that. From here, you can toggle allow notifications on or off, depending on whether you want those Apple alerts. But a quick note here, some cards alerts are actually controlled by your bank app too. So if you want wallet notifications off and you're still getting alerts, open your bank app and check those notification settings as well. And that's it. If you guys know a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.